minutes, one base, leave 11 a.m. on top to the 11th day of June 2024, Tuesday edition of Across the Bridge that we do right now. And I got the one and only ever blazing Lady JJ in the building. How far, Lady J?
I did all right. So this is where they talk 11 minutes don't base from 11 o'clock on the 11th. No, but you say it's a bit rap now for.
I sabi rap before that. Yeah.
Before,
no, not be nice.
What happened? You missed that.
It wasn't my calling. That talk they give me. I don't attach myself to my calling.
Okay. Well,
anyway, welcome. So
thank
quickly,
you.
I hear yesterday say you say, bless. I just dislocate my hand now. So you say, sorry, they do give you one name. Which name I hear over here for radio yesterday when I go ask.
I don't want to tell you because I know what you go do.
No,
I know what you go say.
See me see trouble.
I know you because
I hear the name, but you know, quick thinking because the conversation. I think God will conversation come overlap the name, something like that. You get so waiting with the name.
The baby girl of Lagos.
Nedu.
Yes.
Look you face to face, give you baby girl.
You see now. You see why I say I don't want to tell you. You see why I talk say I don't want to tell you. Yes.
If you say I don't know Nedu, I for talk some tears, but since I know who Nedu be, I understand. I agree. Yes. That's that. No, you be think I will talk some tears. No,
I know you.
I understand who Nedu be, so I know why he tell you baby girl of Lagos. Baby girl of Lagos.
You know why he talk him. You see, you know they talk him in a good way. I know you.
Why you feel say I know they talk in a good way? I mean, to say I don't know who Nedu be. I for they wonder why he talk that kind talk. But since I know who Nedu be, I understand why he call you baby girl of Lagos.
I will take you at your words.
More liver, baby girl of Lagos. But that can also supersede baby lady.
Ode. I talk
Nedu. Baby girl of Lagos cannot supersede that one and be baby lady that I've given to you.
It supersede baby lady because I am not a baby lady.
Lady J.
What's happen?
You are a baby lady.
I'm not a baby
That's
lady.
why you have lady here, lady there.
I know be baby lady. You know if you force me.
I know they force you.
You they force
so
me.
So why you can't openly agree to baby? You know the meaning of baby.
Because that's who I am.
Baby girl of Lagos.
The baby girl. I'm a baby girl. Whether you like them, whether you accept them, whether you agree, you no agree, I am a baby
Not
girl.
let the real baby girls of Lagos.
What did they go do me? What did they want to do me?
They go summon you.
Summon me for waiting. I beg, leave what they are point talk. What do you want to talk? What do you want to tell me? All of us the baby girls in our own right.
Now they do I blame for this.
Why you go blame them for waiting?
Lucky guess if they hear this title. So.
I they wait for them.
Not be prayer warrior.
I they wait for them. Let them come.
They move differently.
Wait till they go do me.
They move differently.
Wait till they go do me. Nothing.
Okay.
Nothing.
No problem. Now
I am the baby girl.
Now
your baby girl for life.
Will not put your.
I don't refer to you. I don't refer to you.
Let's set some standard here.
What do you mean the standard?
If you want identify as a baby girl of Lagos, no problem. Don't be putting not impose on me.
I think impose on you. I don't want to be your baby girl Arabi, but a lot of people wait they listen to me.
Baby girls dey.
I want people. A lot of people they love me, but they listen to me. I be their baby girl.
It's not about love.
Now I'm waiting.
You are my baby lady.
Only yeah. I don't baby your baby. Even your baby girl self. I don't want.
You are my baby lady.
Because your love, you get plenty quanta for inside. I don't want.
My love is natural. It comes with reality. I know the sugar coat truth. Not to what you're feeling.
I am a baby girl whether you like it or not.
Okay, I've heard you baby lady. Oh.
No, I don't be baby lady. I don't be baby lady. R&B.
Let's move forward. I hear you. No problem. Now that is out of the way, we know who you identify as and identify you as somebody different. So there was a conversation a couple of weeks. Today now waiting 11. So I think 3 days ago, federal government banned hotels from lodging underage guests. And if you hear the word underage, what will come your mind now say adult age, anybody when they consider as an adult now from 18. So anybody below 18 is underage, and specifically guests. So according to the report, because it creates some kind of conversation. Some people say it's a good move, but the federal government, some people feel to say, waiting concern you this and that. But according to the report, they say the federal government of Nigeria don't ban the lodging of underage girls in hotels across the country with effect from June 20th, which is 9 days from now, 2024. Next week, yes. Mm-hmm. The Minister of Women Affairs and Social Development, Uju Kennedy Ohaneye. Why this man? I love that woman face part of position. Her face speaks of action. Okay. Once you see her with her, you know say this man. See, you know they take nonsense. You understand? Yes. The first time when they say, "Oh, now she go be," I say, "Mama, the mama, Margaret Thatcher of our time." You get so now. Why when I just say her name, I just bust smile because now her face just her look. Yeah, she not the smile. You go at least see her smile. I mean,
iron name should be iron woman.
Iron woman. You get me? So, according to the report, now she disclosed this one on Saturday for inside Abuja. According to the online report, they say she's the year at the graduation and grant ceremony participant of the Unlock training program. Now, then Mrs. Kennedy Ohaneye called one of severe measure against any hotel when they discover, say, that they lodge underage guests for their premises. She also they warn hospitals made them stop to the reject emergency cases when they feel handle because there are many complaints about such practices. She still go for a talk about other arrangements. You get me? She come and say, I want to quote her right now. I just want to say something to the beneficiaries today. I hope you saw the video circulating about our guests taken to Ghana. You are going to hear our actions on Monday, which is this Monday, which I never hear the action. Maybe I miss that on my apology. He said from the 20th, in all hotels, there will not be lodging of underage guests. I mean it. No more lodging of underage guests. No more bullying. And in the hospital, no more rejection of emergency cases. See, now one of the major talk just to buttress her point. So, in as much as no much information they are attached to this particular statement to understand
where should they
come from, because from the incident of that video, what it mean that those guests so they pack for hotel when they use they call the hotel contact to brother. I been they call
hotel
brother ashawo and yes, prostitute. I be don't want to mention ashawo. I don't mention prostitute. Yes,
brothel.
When you get when you go see all type of people, you see 16 years, 14 years, 14 you probably wonder hello at your age, you dey sell body. In as much as we recognize, say prostitution is one of the oldest traits of humanity, you get, but when it concerns old age, young underage, it becomes a problem. Now from that point she dey talk, abi now from people when you just say, okay, I'm traveling for this event, even though I be 17 years and I not get family member in this state, let me lodge hotel. Now those people they direct and to, because now waiting down means say hotels. Now from hotels go they ask you for means of identification when you go carry your age to see whether they will give you room, because nobody will one day at the receiving end of federal government say they catch you, say, oh, they come your hotel, they find out say 17 years old, 15 years old, date here. I don't know if you get me.
I get what you need to.
So I believe I don't know, because now I don't know how you see it too. I feel a proper or more information need to come from the Minister of Women Affairs to explain, okay, she mean the people when they camp hotel, they do runs, abi she mean people when they just go hotel, go lodge because they get one or two, or they are far from home or far from their comfort zone. Because whether you like it or not, I'm not sure any hotel before now they really allow small pikin come lodge. I don't know.
It happen, especially you know. I don't hear him before. Somebody we been there into drug, really out of drug. He talk something. He said the easiest people to influence and lure. Make I use the word lure. Inside this kind trade of drugs or even prostitution. Now the small the underage girls. So if you catch them at that age, na big wala be that because they hear by his way come you go make money, you go do this one. By the time they see say in a few minutes they don't get this XYZ amount of money,
They go one stay.
They
inside.
go one stay. They go one. So then be the most vulnerable when it comes to this kind
So
of.
now why the minister of
yes,
pay attention
exactly.
to
So
right
to
now.
them, then see them as their means of making money, their means to the big life, to wearing flashy things, to having money, that kind of thing. Then see them as a means because they don't already. I don't want to use the word tempt them. They don't want to use all those things. Take blind their eyes. Take deceive them. Say, nah, the life be this. So at that, then okay. So they go.
So I don't know because my own thinking now. I just feel because apart from that one where I stated, there are cases whereby. Okay, maybe that's why I thought the more information need to come aside from this.
I get
maybe if I go with my family right now, and I get somebody will be probably under 18. If that one come and say
no.
So now I say they need to stipulate and come outside.
In waiting should they talk about now underage girls will be saying they do runs.
Okay, not the one where one can lodge by itself. Maybe you go for NYC before you get apartment.
That NYC and that one did totally understandable.
So how do you now explain to these hotels say na general na them be the
they go ask your age now.
Now they tell you there are people who just finish school, they enter NYC, they'll be 17 years.
17 years.
Yes, they're underage.
True, sure.
Yes,
get point for that one.
So they'll call each hotel say because it did below 17 or 18.
Well, maybe if they
or people went travel for maybe vacation. Because nowadays, if you see some 17 years, they'll be like 28 years old.
I get you. You don't hear this for what they call a broiler.
Bobosi arrangement. So now I think clear explanation need to say okay, waiting them mean.
I understand the context. Underage girls now, girls those small girls where they do runs. Where they
ends there, not be person when one just go lodge for
testing. I don't think so. But
anyway, you know how this one assume now.
Some big men they use no lie. They use those girls. They do runs. Some of these drug barons.
They'll keep them for that hotel.
They'll keep them for the hotel. Give them package. Tell them say go so and place go deliver
this one and that one.
So they use them as agents. You get somebody even. I hope they pray say one of these if you bring them. I say some of them they go in their school uniform, go to those hotels, collect those they call them parcels from them with their pay. Some send them now so they even slowly introduce them to drugs as well. You understand that kind of so now those age now that age upwards they always be the most vulnerable to fit them to enter that kind of matter
arrangement. Anyway, I still hope say a proper explanation go day on ground before that 20th before you can say okay I want the next day say you are below 18 you cannot get a room to yourself. You with the misinterpret some certain arrangement. Now why conversation like this need to happen so that more get clearer picture of her. Then sharply I just want to ask you this question as a lady and as a woman, as a Nigerian woman. You know this whole idea of equality don't dey for a while now. We don't even embrace man work, woman work. Then another level won't day now. Knowing fully well say we get an African culture which not really dey okay with such ideology. The another arrangement I want to talk about now, whereby as a woman you dey work, you can't dey expect to say as husband and wife you bring 50% or bring 50% sharing formula for the house. You feel say as an African woman on the normal video say you dey work. That kind because I read some posts recently over the weekend where some people say no as far say even though say I dey work I get equal right as my husband and not feel bring 50% contribution to the house. Never, it's not possible. There's no way a man go tell me say since we are all equal you bring 50 let me bring 50 say you not go work. So as a lady wait be your take general. I just want to hear from your perspective.
I think it go boil down to agreement
between the
two parties. If not 50%, at least you they contribute your own.
But you as a woman now, if you marry and your husband say, since all of us they work, you will bring 50%, they bring 50%. That's something when go deal okay with you.
I know.
Also, not forget where they come from. The African woman, you need to be taken care of.
I need to be taken care of, yes, but we get house to run, we get things for the house to do. And it no go dey fair to just load them on top one person head. Yes, they do in part as the husband.
So how many percent if you go? So some of the comments where I see now say 50% too dey high. Say as a woman, say they should come lower while the man take the higher part. So I will say a particular lady when say your husband now 30 tell your husband say if you do, and even that 30 say they pay now for body, say you suppose even go lesser. So as a lady, which percentage if you say supposed to be a contribution?
Honestly, to like I talk, it go boil down to us agreeing. Yes, it go boil down to I feel say okay, this percentage. What if it not be that percentage? What if you say no, I be the man, you don't need to give me 50%. Make it I bring 30.
So if you want suggest from your angle,
me I want suggest make una agree. That now
if you want suggest, Lady J, answer.
Suggest to who? To
like
the
you
ladies.
want suggest to your husband. Like besides in a decision one I go take together. So you're saying how many percent if you give up
of my salary?
Yes, to run the home.
To be honest, I don't mind the 50.
Okay, 50 sure deep down your heart like 50. Why you not do 60?
Like I tell you, if it increase, maybe with time. Maybe with time it go increase, but at the moment, okay, this is not how much I go fit.
If you consider,
yes,
if you ever get that man, because for most African men not really send. An African man, where I understand, I say, let me provide everything. Your own are just jara at any given time, or maybe at my lows, you do. But since we did drive towards that era now of bring your Western ideology, one make and one, I think that's why all this conversation. But
the man already on his own, they take up responsibilities, even for me as the wife. They take care of me. And they take care of me. They take care of certain expenses for the house.
No, you don't understand. That 50% on me say
you no go take
everything. What are they do? They share out equal. You now decide maybe dinner hungry you. Hey, honey, I want to go out. If now 20k I want to spend, you go bring 10k come. You go bring. So the whole 50% now everything. Not
for everything.
You go to pay school fee. You go expenses now 50% you want contribute for food. No, you go pay 50% of the school fees too.
So 50% now everything.
Everything. So it's almost like if it takes 1 million to run a home monthly, you go bring 500k. You go bring 500k.
Equal.
You know mine too.
We go run them.
This one not come from your mind.
We go run them. But when we reach that bridge, we go cross them. But personally, I would like go just talk saying that. Agree. Most two of them agree.
Agree on the percentage.
Agree. And nobody get nobody casting stone say it's supposed to be this one, supposed to
be that one.
And get some way no.
They don't mind.
They don't mind. No, keep your money. Use them for any other thing. And I will take care of everything. Get some men like that. You get some men we go have an issue. Say the woman, you want to show me say you get money.
Get money on the rest.
Some men get ego issues. So I make I say make una agree.
Okay. Anyway, thank you very much. I just want to hear from your perspective. And that's all for Across the Bridge this morning.